Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosenda and today I'm going to be showing you my vintage kitchen set. It is part of the Simplicity Vintage collection, which I purchased at Joann's around Christmas time, and I have not opened it until now. I've been waiting to do a video for you all on it, and so I'm finally doing it. I'm excited to show you and add a little bit of sewing. This is going to be part of my vintage homemaking series that I am beginning with you all. You all requested more videos about vintage homemaking besides the videos you already see on my channel, which include feminine 10-item wardrobe, elegant living, and romantic home. So if any of those videos sound great to you, be sure to subscribe to my channel and you will always know when I post a video. Also, in this video at the end, I will be announcing the winner of my giveaway, so be sure to stay till the end and watch for that. So now let's talk about the vintage kitchen gift set. Again, it's from the Simplicity Vintage Collection line, and Simplicity is a brand of sewing patterns and sewing products that have been around for a very long time. In fact, the fashions on these products in this gift set are actual patterns from the 60s, and so this is a special 1960s edition gift set. So inside this gift set are two magnets, and one of them says, "I think about you a little more than I should." And then the other one says, "Looks aren't everything. I have them just in case." No, I think that one's cute. So you got to remember this is the 1960s, and they're kind of sarcastic in a way, or kind of sassy, I guess. Then also in this gift set are two mugs. One of them has a palette about kind of like reds and pinks. This is that cup. So it's a coffee mug, but I love the fashions, and I remember that this is the time of my mom when she got married and she was a new mom, and so this would have been her era, the 1960s. And I love how it says the 1960s on the handle. Again, I've realized that the fashions, it says if I go to simplicity.com, those fashions with numbers on them actually will be available as patterns. So I thought that was really cute. And then this is the mug that actually is in the palette of blues, I'd say. There's a little bit of rust there, but I don't know. I think it's kind of green and blue. I love the blue. I love that one. That's my favorite fashion right there. The little blue dress. And it kind of reminds me of That Girl, if you've ever seen that show with Marlo Thomas, which I love that show. And okay, so I'm gonna pull out the apron, but then I decided to wait till the end and do the tea towel instead. The liquid, it says, "But I'm too cute to cook." So the tea towel is so cute. Look at those tights, look at those shoes. That is my favorite fashion, so I'm so glad that's on the tea towel. And then now it's time for the apron. So the apron is so much fun. Okay, it says, "The only reason I have a kitchen is because it came with the house." This is part of my giveaway. I have a personalized little pink Casa apron, and it's vintage style. I have my little pink Casa mug, a Victoria magazine. And the winner for my blog anniversary giveaway is Dancing for Joy. I will contact you soon and let you know you are the winner. Thank you for joining me today for my video, and be sure to subscribe for more vintage homemaking videos like this. And if you are interested in seeing more of my dress that I wore in this video today, you can see it in my summer 10 item wardrobe video. I will link that below, and I will link all the other products if I can below in the description box. Thank you, and I will see you again in my next video.